Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your password if you forgot it on your Wells Fargo account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first thing you need to do is go on your web browser of your preference and type in www.wellsfargo.com. Once you do so, you will end up in its official website where you need to click on sign on option. Once you do this, you will be redirected to its sign in interface where you need to click on forgot username or password option. Once you click on forgot username or password, you will be redirected to a different interface where you need to tap on my username. So now you need to simply type in your username and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be asked your birth date. So now according to your birth date, you need to type it and press continue. Once you do so, the final step is to type in your card account or the loan number. So once you type in your card number or account number or even your loan number, you can simply press the continue button. So this way you will be able to reset your password on Wells Fargo account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.